Oh. That shit not even plugged in. All right, we're back in. We're back in. What it do? Probably wondering why I'm so hyped right now. I just got out of school for spring break, so pretty W time. You feel me? W time. Today I have to use train depart. I don't know what this game is. I'm pretty sure we're gonna be on the train. But yeah, let's get into it. Yeah. New game. That was kind of cool. I want some peanuts. I know some of y'all allergic to peanuts, but get good. Oh, I wasn't reading. This story is not something I tell often. Honestly, I wasn't sure if I ever would. It was during one of those hot, stifling summers. Time where the air feels heavy and time seems to slow down. I've had a couple of those. I was 16, and for the first time I was traveling alone. My parents had gone ahead to our family gathering by plane. See? Plane's the way, bro. Don't take a train. It's the worst thing in your life. Me, I was talking about taking the train to meet them. I don't. That question mark messed me up. You know, there's something about being alone on a journey that makes you feel more grown up than you are. I had my backpack, my phone, my laptop. I felt like an adventure waiting to happen. Train started moving. When the train started moving, I felt a mix of excitement and a little bit of worry. Dang! Get me to the game! But I had no idea what was really ahead. I thought it was just going to be a straightforward ride. Hold on, let me... Oh wait, no, wait. Let me... You know, I gotta look cool for y'all.
Yeah! It's rewind time.
Hey, playing with the shades on. You know, come on, my YouTube feature so bright. I'll open this up. Oh, escape. All right. Dang, I got 3 phones. Dang. My character he living life, bro. He can watch 3 TikToks at the same time. Warning: everything in order for your trip. Hey dad, just finished packing up. Remember, organization is key, and keep your phone charged. Chargers packed, and I have a power bank. Good. On the train. What? Oh, stay alert, especially with your belongings. I understand. Keeping my luggage close. Also, a bit of reading wouldn't hurt. Balance out the screen time. Dang. I packed a few books. Actually, I'm not reading them. Oh, call them when I'm on board. All right, see you soon. Going to the airport. Ticket numbers. Yeah. Good day. Your connection TJ 10064 will be delayed by approximately 15 minutes. The length of the delay may change. We apologize for the inconvenience. Your train jet. Good day. Your seat number is 36. Please take your designated seat upon boarding the train. Thank you for... Dang. How do I get on the train? Oh, I just go up to the door. Alright. Let's get into it. I thought my mic wasn't working for a second. I was finna be mad. Dang, this little fat backpack. Bro, why she do it like that? She said. Like, what was that about? Taking these off. Leave. What was you? Oh, some unfriendly people. Hey, can you move your bag?
Don't care.
When? Only a few of y'all gonna get that. Have you seen the dining car? I don't care. I honestly don't. What do you mean? What? You're standing in the middle of the car, talking about some. Like, move. Seat 36. Look, if I say this, he gonna be like, I don't know, do it look like I work here on the train? Oh, absolutely, you're right. The glaze on this man, the glaze is crazy. The glaze is insane. Right off rip, the glaze is insane. Absolutely, your highness. Dang, he walked fast. Where's seat 36? Oh, hold on. Oh, 36? $33, $34. Oh, 36. Alright, bet. Sir, yes, sir. We getting that light one with Peanut's good, bro. Text from mom. Have you left already? How's your seat? Everything okay? Yeah, we're on our way now. Found my seat, alright. But you know, some people here definitely could. Some people here could definitely be nicer. I'll text more once we're further along. Just sitting on my laptop for the journey. Okay. My laptop must have been in my backpack. How do you forget that? How? Okay. Throw it. Oh. A little small chair. Like rock, paper, scissors? Oh. Sometimes it's just better to mind your business. I thought they were playing rock, paper, scissors. They playing patty cake. Backlog? I got 4 phones? Dang. Man, you online? Arm wrestlers too? Sorry man, train Wi-Fi. Just needed to log in. Want to play the clicker before we arrive. Freak is the clicker. Oh, hold on. Let me lock in. Oh wait, hold on. Look. Ah! I wasn't even looking at my main monitor. I wasn't even looking at my main monitor. I was looking at the monitor over here, and it. First, I got jump scared by whatever this is right here, and then her face just popped up. Sorry, what can I get you? Japanese style cake and strawberry soda. I'm afraid we don't have any soda. Can we give you some water with the meal? Yeah, whatever. I will bring you your order a little bit later. Jesus! Oh, never. Man, that just made me mad. That just upsetted me. Dang, how long we gonna play this game for? Dang, I can make some big bank. I was thinking about going to the toilet before my meal is ready. You just gonna have to sit it out, big dog. I don't know what to tell you. Running up a freaking Sprite. Bro, my ear. Like, bro, get out my ear. Give me a second. Oh, shut up. Stop crying. Space to get up. Sir, please fix your hairstyle. Please, I'm begging you. I don't even know where the bathroom at. Bro, let me get past you. Why you just standing there? This. That is not the bathroom. Bro, almost jumped off the plane. I meant the boat, train, whatever it is. There's a strange bag in the bathroom. Mind my business, bro. Hey, it's not my bag. Pick that soap up, big dog. Oh no! So I returned to my seat without second. Why did I open it? Why did I open the bag? That was... I just said I'ma mind my business. And then the first thing I do is open up my bag. I mean, open up the bag. What's wrong with me? 12:21. What? 12:21 p.m. I can't read today. Sorry, couldn't resist. Looks great. It's okay. Those trains, they make better quality food. Tasty? Yeah, shame they had no soda. Good. Let me fat. Ooh. That's so crunchy. Are you the gentleman that wanted a soda? We have found a pack in our storage. Enjoy, please. I want the soda, bro. I don't trust you. You look like Dan. Rick, what's wrong with him? Bro, he don't even got the right uniform on. He's just like a pilot. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Gone. It's gone. That was this. It's him. He a terrorist. He a terrorist. I'm telling y'all, he a terrorist. That dude a terrorist. Drink your water, bro. Drink it. They gave me a water and a sweet tea. It's making me drink the soda. Oh no, I just realized the soda was already opened with the straw in it. It was warm, it had a strange taste. But I was happy and hoped it wasn't lying there for you. Bro. You gotta be, like, cautious of these things. I wanted to spend some time on a walk, or I could be on the walk. Where the frick are you walking to? You host some memorable dinner parties. I love the thrill of it. Where are you walking to? There's nowhere to walk. You throw up in the bathroom. What? Hey, this dude he's the biggest peer in the world. Get a nastiest peer I know too. Not washing your hands after. What's wrong with you, man? What's wrong with you? Hey. What you watching? Oh dang, the kids left you on the train? Yeah, he said. Yeah, I know. We were talking about something going on a walk. Walk where? You on a train. There ain't nowhere to walk. He put in my drink. The freak he put him. Suddenly I felt a strong drowsiness. I wonder why. To be honest, I always had one after a good meal, but there was more persistent. And it was as if I couldn't. Dang, all up in my face. All up in my face, almost some. Like, back up, bro. I apologize for doing that. Good, big bro. What is going on? Where do you plan to go? Are you a police officer? ID and ticket, please. Traveling alone? Yes, my parents are at the destination, waiting for me at the destination. Luggage contents? Any prohibited items? Just my clothes, some books, and snacks. Huh. Always ready, so I guess additional search isn't necessary. I know, my parents told me to. Alright, move along. My bad. I'm sorry. Border control officer seemed to be quite tense, but finally decided to leave me alone. Train started leaving to the last station just after he left. We almost there. We almost there. And you know it. The shade coming back. Would you like anything ordered to? Stupid. Would you like to order anything else? Just one more soda, please. Sorry, I told you before. We have no soda, unfortunately. We had an unexpected shipment delay, but your colleague said you found last pack. Second steward, sorry, I work alone on today's shift. Do you feel okay? You don't look well. I'm fine, I guess. Probably tired. We will arrive soon. Please call me if you need anything. Thanks. But I tell y'all, he didn't even have the right attire on. He over here on the wrong transportation. He's supposed to be on a plane. If it was on a plane, it would have passed. But we on a train, so that dude over there looking like a flight attendant. Hello. I'm making big bread though, so don't worry about it. I'm making big bread. The biggest bread you've ever seen. I'm making a whole loaf. Look. What you talking about? What you talking about? What you talking about? Look, check it. Check it. Check it. Yeah. 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 Look, I ain't talking about nothing, bro. The man that was in my dreams looking for something in my baggage. He was looking at my bags. He was looking at my bags. I promise you he was. Strange bag. For some reason I thought it was better to check what's inside the bag in the toilet where no one else will see. Man, you. Hey, cut. With a kid. Hey, you better put it in that kid bag. Hello. The granny. Kobe. Oh. Why give me a cutscene? Some drugs. Throw it out the window, bro. Oh. I gotta pee again? I flushed his drugs down the toilet. For some reason, it didn't come up with nothing better than flush it. Give me my little present. What did I do? Sorry. Yes, the present. I'm traveling with it to my old friend. Detail something to the police about it? No, I wouldn't. Now listen to me very carefully. If you want to be safe, you come with me and sit on your seat until the last station. What did he say? What did he say? Don't be shy. Go on. Oh, good. Open it now! Or you know what would be after. He was able to break it. I must be. I said, open the door. I just need what's in the bag. It ain't long gone, bro. Oh, bro, you alive. I just started clicking random stuff. This chamber service, are you okay? We had an emergency call from this toilet. Please open the door. I'm not. Nah, fam. Bro, I just swiped my mouse right now. I started pressing the button. Yo. A few years have passed since this incident. My parents had many meetings with the police, but in the end, everything turned out alright. Our family was provided with protection and even received a certificate from the city. That's scary, bro. And little by little, memories of the event have faded. But since that day, I've started traveling by plane. Yeah, you should have did that to begin with. This music on a fire. Cheez-Its, bait, Snack Crackers V2, cargo ship, apocalypse scene, high-speed train, fire extinguisher, syringe, drugs, can of soda, Castile cake, plate. Dang, he made all of it. Well, not he didn't make it. That's a W plug. The W plug. I ain't even get to read my books. I didn't even listen to my dad. He told me read my books. He told me read my books and limit my screen time. I didn't even get a chance to read. Feel me? I was just on the computer the whole time. Oh, how y'all like this game? How y'all like it? Peanuts? Hey, what you trying to do? Here, reach in. Yeah. Did we get to the end, bro? Oh. That was training the part. If you enjoyed this game, hit that like button, please. I would very so much appreciate it. And every like counts, every comment counts, every subscriber counts. But meantime, y'all know my name here by now, Gary, and I'm out.